Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to freeze frame in Clipchamp using a quick and simple method. Step 1. Add your video to the timeline in Clipchamp. Press play and pause at the exact frame you want to freeze. This is the moment you'll capture for the freeze frame effect. Step 2. Use the snipping tool or any screenshot app you prefer to take a screenshot of the frame. Make sure to click New and carefully capture the preview window. Step 3. Return to Clipchamp and make sure the playhead is still on the same frame where you paused. Step 4. Split the clip right at that frame. This helps you create a space where the frozen image will go, making the transition look smooth. Step 5. Click anywhere in the blank area of the timeline, then press Ctrl V to paste your screenshot. It'll appear right where the playhead is. Step 6. Drag and move the screenshot to align it properly with the timeline. Then, adjust the length by dragging its edge to make the freeze frame last as long as you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more easy tutorials.